Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use PayPal Money. Once funds are in your PayPal account, you have several convenient options. You can easily spend your balance online at hundreds of thousands of retailers, send money to friends and family, or even pay bills directly. Accessing your balance is simple through the PayPal app or website, providing a secure and efficient way to manage your digital funds for everyday transactions and more. Spending your PayPal balance online is straightforward. At checkout, simply select PayPal as your payment method. For in-store purchases, you can use the PayPal app to generate a QR code at participating merchants or link your PayPal account to a debit card for seamless transactions. Remember, PayPal offers robust buyer protection on eligible purchases, giving you peace of mind when you shop, whether it's a small item or a larger investment. Sending money to friends and family is incredibly easy with PayPal. Just enter their email or phone number, the amount, and hit send. You can also use your PayPal balance to pay various bills, from utilities to subscriptions, often with just a few clicks. This feature helps streamline your finances, allowing you to manage multiple payments from one secure platform, saving you time and effort each month. When you need to access your PayPal funds in cash, transferring them to your linked bank account is a common method. This usually takes 1 to 3 business days, though instant transfers to a debit card are often available for a small fee, typically around 1.75% of the amount. You can also request a physical check, which may take up to 2 weeks to arrive, offering flexibility for your financial needs.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.